At the edge of dawn, a new chapter in electric luxury begins. Gate, the Lucid Gravity 2025.
At the edge of dawn, a new chapter in electric luxury begins. Born to redefine silence, precision, and performance. This is the Lucid Gravity 2025. Feel the power surge in absolute silence. Every motion engineered for grace. Every curve sculpted by wind itself. When the city glows, so does the future. Reflections of innovation glide through the night, effortless, elegant, electric. In moments, it's ready to go beyond limits again. Smart energy, rapid charge, boundless freedom, wherever tomorrow leads. As the sun sets, the horizon becomes your highway. Beauty in motion, the art of travel, reimagined. Inside, serenity meets sophistication. Every line, every stitch, designed for those who see perfection in the smallest details. Even when the storm rises, control remains. Stability meets confidence, powered by intelligence, not noise. Above the clouds, it climbs with purpose. Where air thins, its spirit grows, a symbol of motion without boundaries. The night belongs to those who move ahead of time. This is more than a car. It's the dawn of a new era. Lucid Gravity 2025. The future has already arrived. You're watching Zabtoon Motors, where the future drives first.